and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. A few weeks ago I came on here and showed you guys my morning routine, so I figured I would also come on here and show you guys my nighttime routine. It is nothing elaborate, it is super simple, and it typically starts after I eat dinner. I am not going to show you guys in this video me eating dinner, for the simple fact that today I grabbed stuff while I was on my way home. I will be mentioning a ton of different products in this video. Some of them have been sent to me by the various companies. However, I think there's only one company I have never mentioned here on my channel, and the other companies I will be mentioning are ones that you hear me talk about all the time here on my channel, such as Fresh and John Frieda. I am always mentioning them here on my channel because I absolutely love all their products and use their products daily. And a bunch of these companies have come out with new products that I have quickly fallen in love with and wanted to share with you guys. And as always, I will try to link all the products that I mentioned in this video down below for you guys in case you're interested in purchasing any of them. So without further ado, let's get started. Starting off with my hair care routine for in the shower. Something you may not know about me is that I have curly hair. However, I rarely wear it down, mainly because my curls never look the way I want, and someone actually suggested I try using the curly girl method, which required me to switch hair care products. So I decided to go with the new John Frieda Frizz Ease Dream Curls shampoo and conditioner. They are in fact curly girl method approved, and they also help detangle your hair to align your curls. So obviously while I'm in the shower, I go ahead and shampoo my hair, rinse it out, and then go ahead and apply conditioner. And before rinsing out the conditioner, I move on to my shower skincare routine. And if you've been on my channel for a while, this won't come as a surprise, but my go-to cleanser is the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. And I am super excited because Fresh recently came out with a jumbo size, and it also includes a pump. I am really hoping that I can get through the rest of this year solely with this one bottle. After I cleanse my face, I like to follow up with the Fresh Seaberry Skin Nutrition Cleansing Oil. And what's great about both of these products are they can be safely used on your eyelids and also remove makeup. And then before hopping out of the shower, I do go ahead and rinse out the conditioner. Once I get out of the shower, I continue my hair care routine and start by brushing my hair. And to finish off my hair care, I use an old t-shirt to plait my hair, and I absolutely love the way my curls come out now. While I let my hair sit for a while, I continue on with my skincare and start by moisturizing my face with the Pond's Perfect Color Complex Beauty Cream, which helps to fade dark marks. I only recently started using this and I actually really like it. I also like to moisturize my lips using one of the Fresh Hydrating Lip Balms. And they recently came out with a few new flavors, two of which are the lychee and passion fruit one. But of the two, the passion fruit one is by far my favorite. And Fresh actually offers 10 different flavors for them. And out of those 10 flavors, I'm only missing 2. I'm missing the coconut and the mango. However, I have all the other ones they offer, and I love every single one. Lastly, I moisturize the rest of my skin on my body, and recently I started using a tanning butter to moisturize my skin, while also giving my skin a hint of color. And this is just the Isle of Paradise Self-Tanning Butter, which helps to color correct and even out your skin tone while giving you a subtle glow. It is vegan, cruelty-free, does not need to be rinsed off, and it develops over the course of 4 to 6 hours, which is typically why I apply it at night. It is far less messy than using a tanning mousse or a tanning spray, and I love that the glow I get from it is gradual and doesn't give me any sort of orange tint. Then to finish off my night routine, this night in particular, I decided I was going to do a little bit of reading in my bed. And for those of you who are curious, I'm currently rereading Perfect, which is the second book in the Impulse series by Ellen Hopkins, who is one of my all-time favorite authors. I love that her books are written in poetry form. They are easy to get through, and if you have never read a book by her, I highly recommend going and picking one up. So that is my typical night routine, and I've actually already filmed it and am just now coming back to do my intro and my outro, and I realized I didn't show you guys me brushing my teeth, but it is something I do every single night. I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys would like to see more routines here on my channel, definitely let me know, because that is something I can do. And if you have a specific routine you would like to see, such as a makeup routine or skincare routine or anything like that, again, let me know in the comments. Also, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I upload new content regularly and would love it if you'd become part of our little family. Also, be sure to hit the bell so that you are in fact notified every time I do upload a new video. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!